Hi friends, in this video you will learn how to protect IP address in calls. There is a new feature in WhatsApp, so I will show you how to enable it. So if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. So let's start the video. So first of all you will simply open your WhatsApp application. At the top right corner there are three dots. You will simply tap on them. You will go to settings, and here at the second option you will simply tap privacy. So here what you need to do is you will simply scroll down. So here you will simply tap on the advanced. Here is the protect IP address in calls. You will simply tap on it and it will be enabled. So the protect IP address in calls to make it harder for people to interfere your location. Calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp servers. This will reduce call quality. So this is the process of enabling the protect IP address in calls option. So if you like the video, please subscribe the channel for more related videos. Thank you.